Okay, so this is Keith here, guys. I'm going to show you how to just basically do a funnel, an advertising funnel for your business. So this is real simple. What you want to do is, first of all, we're going to go build a new funnel here. All right. And so the object behind this, guys, there's just a couple of programs you got to use. The first of all you got to use is an email system. The one I use and recommend for you to use is MailChimp. It's absolutely free until you get 500 emails in there. And then it will integrate with ClickFunnels. You can send ongoing emails, and you can integrate it with ClickFunnels easily as well. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to create a funnel here. We're going to create a new funnel, and we're going to collect emails. So we'll just call this Optin funnel, okay? So this is what we're going to use to get leads to our organization. See, the thing that people don't realize is that you could have a Facebook page, you could have a Facebook group or YouTube channel. Those things are great to have, but when you have an email list, it's more of an asset. YouTube can take your channel away from you at any time. Facebook can take your group away from you anytime. But when you have an email list, that's always yours, and it's an asset that you're going to acquire by doing your paid ads. Okay, so we're going to build the funnel here. All right, I'm going to select a group. All right, so I'm going to just do a simple opt-in funnel. What we want to do is look for something simple. So this here funnel step is going to come off of a Facebook ad, okay? So this is the first page that they're going to see when they come off the Facebook ad. So we're going to offer them something free, and then we're going to put this URL into our Facebook ad, and then they're going to opt in, okay? Which I'm going to select the simple opt-in here. Okay, so I'll get something with a headline here, something that entices them. So let's just preview this one real quick. And nice and simple. I'm going to say, we'll do it for chiropractor, and we'll put a nice headline here, get them to opt in, and a thank you page, real simple stuff. And that's the one we'll select, okay? So I'll go with that one here. Now, we got a thank you page here, and I can select the thank you page too now if I want, or we could just go back to it later. Real simple thank you page. And let's just see what we got. Thank you. We're not going to download an asset for this since we're doing a chiropractor. So we're going to just see, thanks for signing up. Let's preview that one. Thanks for signing up. Download video. Of course, I can just erase that if I want. Okay, so we'll go back. We'll choose, let me see if I get the colors right though. I probably want to actually go with this one here. Let me just add that one. I notice it's a little bit darker, but we can always change the background color as well, okay? So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go into the opt-in here, and we're going to go edit page. Now this is very simple, and it can be done in literally 10 to 15 minutes if you know what you're doing. So we're just going to want to change this stuff. Oh, is that my thank you page? What happened here? 1 second. Let me go back and just make sure I got that right. All right, so this is the opt-in. I could have swore I chose something else. Yeah, that's not the one I wanted. I'm going to delete that. That's the one I wanted. That was weird. So I'm just going to add another funnel step. Okay. Yeah, that was weird, huh? Okay. So let me just go in and get, I want to move that up here now. Okay, let's just going to move that funnel step there. And I could have swore I chose this one here. I have to look at the rewind on that video, the instant replay, and check that out. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to edit this page. So if we're doing a Facebook ad, let's say this is for a chiropractor. we want to have what's called a magnet, or just an offer that is kind of like a freebie for them to give us their information, and for them to obviously get something out of it. Now you can take this and you can use a freebie for all kinds of stuff, whether it be an air conditioning company, a dentist, a free cleaning, a chimney sweeping company, half price off, or whatever it may be. Any organization can come up with some kind of freebie or discounted offer. Okay, so here we're going to do. We're going to take this out because we're not downloading any reports, so I don't really need that there. Okay, I'll just take that out. There we go. Kind of tough to get that. There we go. Right there. I want it to be orange. It's getting a little tricky on me. I don't know why they've got so much stuff on this particular funnel. Looks like I'm having a little bit of a hard time here, but I want to erase that one blank. Okay, so now let me just go in and just move this up so I don't have that problem. I'm going to move that up so they don't run into each other. Here we go. I got them on top of each other there, so that's why I couldn't get it. Okay, so that's nice and easy. And then I can just go back in the settings and change that, okay? So here we go. I'm going to hit the settings key here, and now I'm going to bring that up to the top closer like it was. So guys, with ClickFunnels, everything here is really drag and drop. And so now I want to change this copy, okay? So let's say we're doing it for a chiropractor. I want to do my freebie as a free massage, 15-minute massage, right? I'm going to do claim your voucher. Okay. I'll put only 15 available, okay? So to create some sense of urgency. All right, so now let me erase all this stuff. And I just click here, and I want to make that nice and even. All right. And let me see. So what I want to do here is, again, this is called copy. So this is called the ad copy. So what we want to do is come up with some clever, creative verbiage to make the person want to fill out this information. Quick to spontaneously, and just so we can get them to obviously get that lead. Okay. So I'm gonna change down here. I can go over to here and I can just change the button text. Claim my voucher. All right. Now, every once in a while, you just want to hit save in the upper right hand corner. So I'm not going to get too much into the specifics of what we're going to put here, but we can go down and change all this information. So we can change that. I'll just hit save. Now, you see on the top here, it says integrations. We don't want to integrate on this page. We want to integrate on the second page. Anytime you have an opt-in, you want to integrate on the page afterwards. Okay, so this is going to integrate us with our MailChimp account. Okay, so there's a lot of other things here, but I want to just give you the meat and potatoes of how this actually works. Okay, so I'm going to just hit save. Again, we can just put, we will call you shortly here. Or I don't want to put call us about. put booking for next week or something like that, or some kind of call to action. Okay, I can actually move this up here too, so we can get a little bit closer to the top end deal. All right, so I'm gonna hit click save there, guys. All right, so that's our first page of the funnel. Now there's a little bit more in depth on this. We can actually go through and put our Facebook our Facebook tracking code. We can put in our SEO data, which is basically what will show up over here at the bottom, and then your title and description of just what the page does. This is all very easy, self-explanatory stuff. Okay, and then general settings. If we were giving away a digital asset, we actually put that on the next page, but that's where your digital asset comes. Show your affiliate badge is if you want to show the ClickFunnels affiliate badge, and show in search engines or hide. Okay. You can add elements to this. You can create columns and sections. We can add pictures to the background. We can actually change that picture in the background if we wanted to. We just go here and put in some kind of picture, whatever we wanted to put. Let's say these two are chiropractors. We can make that bigger and so on and so forth. Okay, so I am going to just get out of this and go to the next step in the funnel, guys. Okay, so now we get the thank you page. So they've put in their email, first name and email address, and then we're going to go to the thank you page. I'm going to edit that. Okay, and we can put very simply in here. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, we can take this out if we wanted to, and we could take this out as well, or we could have right here. We could have another call of action. You could lead them to a product page. If you might, if you sell some products as well at your practice, you could actually just put your products. So if you sold herbal supplements or anything that was affiliated to your practice, you can actually send them to your website, or just very simply send them to a next page in this funnel. Okay, you see how it has it says set action. Well, I could actually set that action to send them to another URL, like a website, or I could actually just send them to the next page in the funnel. Okay, so we can save that, and then I'll send them to the next page in the funnel where we can actually have the products on the next page with an order form. Okay, so that's pretty simple stuff. Again, I'm going to save this, and so let's just say we wanted to send them to a sales page. Let me show you on the back step here. We can actually go in and add another funnel step. Okay, I'm going to create a sales page. And what I do is if I want to create a sales page, I just go to over here. Actually, the next one we're going to do is on the sales page. We can actually, after that, we can create an order page. And so this is like an endless process. We can continue to lead the customer in the right direction. So that's why it's called a sales funnel. Okay, so we can add a sales page here if we wanted to, and I could go in and. But one thing I forgot is I want to show you the integration. Let me go back to the thank you page because I want to show you where it integrates with your MailChimp account or Aweber account or whatever email service provider you are using. Okay, so as I said, integrations we always want to do after the opt-in. So right here it says not connected. I'm going to go over here and just simply set up our MailChimp account, and we're going to go add the list, and then we can very simply just choose a list from our MailChimp account and just select it. Okay. Now, one thing, after we choose the list, it's going to say send a confirmation email. We want to click the drop down and hit do not send the confirmation email. Anytime you have less opportunities for the customer to opt out of your email, it's kind of wasting your money. Okay. So you definitely want to go with also an email service that has what's called a no opt-in or even just a single opt-in policy. You do not want to go with the double opt-in and give the customer more chances to unsubscribe to your email list. Okay, so this is how we build a funnel. It's very simple to set up a MailChimp account, MailChimp.com, and to integrate that with ClickFunnels. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of here, and I'm going to show you where you can go and integrate your MailChimp account. Okay, you're going to go to integrations, and you very simply go to integrations and add a new integration, and that's where you come over here and click on MailChimp. Okay, it's going to ask you for an API. An API is very simply you'll have that when you set up your MailChimp account. It is just it's a connection that will automatically keep processing your information. Okay, so and that's what the API an API is. Okay, guys. So this is that's it. That's a basic setup of a funnel, how to advertise your business and integrate with ClickFunnels. All you need, guys, is a MailChimp account that's free and a ClickFunnels account. $97 a month or $297 a month. The difference is if you get $297 a month package, you get Backpack and Actionetics. Backpack allows you to hook up with affiliates. Actionetics allows you to use email integration, and all kinds of other stuff. So for the extra couple $100, you get a lot more features. Okay, so that is the gist of marketing and how to set up your small business with with an email opt-in system and how to advertise it. I mean, it's that simple. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.